Hi, welcome to Global Social Fair. Our booth number is 5B27. Our EV charging cable is the most popular and very competitive price. Here is a Type 2 to Type 2 EV charging cable. Yeah, our EV charging cable are TUV, CE, CB, and the UKCN certified. Here, this is the Type 2 to Type 2 EV charging cable. The most popular color is the black color. And here is the Tesla extension cable. Yeah, Tesla male to Tesla female. We also have the Type 2 to GPT, Type 2 to Tesla, Type 1 to Tesla, and Type 2 to Type 1. Get different connectors, EV charging cables. Normally, we use the bags. See, we have 3-layer bag. 1-layer bag also. We can do OEM logo printing for you. Welcome to 5B27. Drop us here.